Okay, question 8, last one. The radius and the height of a cylinder must add to 18 centimeters. So I have a cylinder, I have the height, and I have the radius. So the radius plus the height must add to 18 centimeters. Let's write everything in terms of R, because generally as R is getting bigger, the volume is going to be increasing. So H will equal 18 minus R. So I have an R and I have H, which is 18 minus R. So this is similar to question 5, but it's being added now into a more complex question. So calculate its maximum volume. So the volume of a cylinder, just as we did before, is pi r squared, the area of the circle, times by the height, which we know is that. So now I have the volume written all in terms of r. So I just need to multiply that out. 18 pi r squared minus pi r cubed. Okay, so that is my volume of a cylinder, where the radius plus the height must add to 18. So that's it there. So I am looking for the change in volume with respect to the radius. So that will give me 18 times 2 is 36 pi r minus 3 pi r squared. Remember, pi is just a number, so we can just treat it as a number. It's not a variable. Okay, so I now am trying to find the maximum, so I'm letting it equal 0. So that gives me 3 pi r squared. Oh no, actually, sorry, I'm just, ignore me. Let's rub that out. What are we doing? We are solving for r. I've got an r there and an r there equaling to 0. I need to factorize. I'm going to take out 3 pi r. I don't need to. I could have taken out just the r. That's fine. I'm just taking out as much as I can. That's going to give me 3 times 12 is 36 pi r, and that'll give me that there. That 3's gone, that pi's gone, and one of those r's is gone. So that's looking nice and easy. So therefore, either 3 pi r equals 0, this times this is equal to 0, so either that is 0 or that is 0. So r must be 0 and r must be 12. Well, obviously having a radius of 0 isn't going to make much sense. It's not much of a cylinder. So r must be 12. They are asking me to what values for the radius and the height would produce the maximum. So we said that h is equal to 18 minus r. That's what we first discussed. So r is 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I've come to use my fingers. That's where I am today. Is it in centimeters? Yes. H is 6, R is 12, and so my volume, which is pi r squared, H is going to be pi times 12 squared times 6, which you can put into your calculator and work out. 144 times 6 times pi. Centimeters squared. Centimeters cubed, because it's volume. There you go. Okay. So, hope that was helpful. I guess the main thing is getting R in terms of H and remembering your volume from year 9 and 10. so quite a long time ago. I will put all of this up for you with the video links.